Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Apriali Simamora. I want to present about the introduction of international paper with title Internet of Things Based Product or Service Process and Challenge on Developing the Business Models. Introduction. The technologies of Internet of Things or IoT are increasingly embedded precisely non-digital product of everyday life, which impact the nature of goods and service, and in consequence on operating business models. The separation between physical and digital industry is now consigned to the past because the IoT makes possible hybrid solution that merge physical product and digital service. The concept of IoT surfaces several areas of knowledge and can be considered as potentially relevant in any supply chain, creating unprecedented opportunities in the public and private sector to develop new product and service, increase productivity and process efficiency, improve decision making, solve critical social problems, and develop new user experience. Present a broad view and concrete examples of IoT application in several domains of private and public sectors. IoT-based product or service allow for radical change in exciting business models. However, a mediocre technology used in a great business model can be better than great technology explored in a poor business model. Therefore, we must understand how to generating proper business model for IoT based product and service. Nevertheless, still little is known about how the IoT change business models. The larger literature stream is focused on technical IoT challenge, and few empirical studies investigate IoT specific business model innovation in detail. Most of the studies on this subject only provide anecdotal evidence and do not base their findings on empirical data. In some regards, the fast technical progress of IoT technologies, the business and management literature do not explicitly consider the logic of digitized business environment model for the IoT should be constructed. Reviewing the literature are as we are, but there are two clear prefaults in these works. Most of them are not based on empirical research in organization, and most of them are based on general business models frameworks such as the Business Models Canvas or BMC. The, the IoT brings numerous opportunities for product and service innovation, and at the same time, it brings set of uncertainties. For example, it can increase the complexity and level of competition in most manufacturing systems. It, it is key to understand what can be gained by connecting current product to the IoT and not simply doing it because the IoT is hype. Therefore, this article aims at investigating two research questions. One, what are the elements to be considered to create a business models for IoT based product or service? Two, what are the main challenges phase in this process. To address this question, we review the literature on business models for IoT and we analyze data from an action research involving the generation of a business model for an IoT-based product, a smart lock, in a small company. We explore how this process occurred and the challenge space. The Internet of Things or IoT. The IoT refers to an emerging paradigm consisting of a continuum of uniquely addressable things communicating to one another to form worldwide dynamic network. According to Metham or Florkheimer, the IoT is not the result of a single technology, but it is the combination of several complementary development technology that provided that provide capabilities which help to bridge the gap between the virtual and the physical world. These capabilities include communication and cooperation. In the IoT, the object have the ability to network with internet resources and with each other to make use of data and service of update their static. They use several wireless technology for it, such 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, wireless personal area network or weapons, among others. 2. Addressability. The objectives are located on the Internet of Things and can be remotely configured and addressed via discovery, lookup, or name service. They can be remotely interrogated or configured. Identification. The objects are uniquely identified using technologies such as RFID or radio frequency identification and NFC, near field communication. Identification identification enables objects to be linked to specific information associated with them. Connect our sensing. In the IoT, the objects collect data about their surrounding environment with the use of sensor. They record and forward data and reach according the context. Monitoring. Sensors enable the monitoring of product condition, the product's operation and usage. It also enables alert and notification of change. Actuation. The object contains actuators that can be used remotely, control real-world process in the environment via the internet. For example, converting electrical signal into mechanical movement. Business model. The business model literature has its origins in the late 1919. Since then, there has been an increasing interest in this topic in practice and various research areas. Osterwalder and Beyer 2009. Forzot, Amit and Massa 2011. Business model have been used to address of explain the e-business phenomenon, and the use of IT in organization, as well as the management of technology and innovation. Companies must understand how to unlock value from technology, which has stimulated research on this concept. Zod Amit and Massa claim, after an extensive literature review, that a business model has different definitions. It can be referred as a statement, a description, a representation, an ar- architecture, a tool or conceptual model, a structural template, a method, a framework, a pattern, or a set of elements. A business model can be defined as a bundle of specific activities conducted to satisfy the perceived need of the market, along with the specification of which parties or a company and its partners perform the activities and how these activities are linked to each other. According to Turber and Smiela, a business model is a holistic representation of a business form by the combination of internal and external factors. There is no consensus on the element that compose a business model. Timers claim that a business model has to indicate 1. An architecture for the product, service, and information flows. 2. A description of the various business actors and their roles. 3. The potential benefit for the business actors. And 4. The resource of revenues. Gassman, Frankenberger, and Schick indicate that it must set the target customer, the value proposition to meet customers' need, the value gain necessary to deliver the value proposition, and indicating that the most frequently identified element in business model are value proposition, target market, revenue model, partner network, internal infrastructure, and process. Rethinking and reconfiguring that constitutes a highly complex and transversal management task. There are various business model frameworks at the enterprise level and at the industry level. At the enterprise level, the most used framework are the value chain, the strategy map, the four-box business model, and the business model canvas or BMC. At the industry level, one can consider the five force, the value net, supply chain models, and the business model environment. Among these models, the value chain and the BMC are the most widely used. In the next section, we analyze the state of our of business model for the IoT.